Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing good. I hope you guys are still COVID free. I know I say that a lot in my videos. I do worry about people. I do worry about you guys. You guys have been there for me, so I can only do this in return to help support you guys as well. I hope you're enjoying the content on my channel. I appreciate every single one of you guys for all the support. Tonight is going to be a video number 2 of Graham's beard care series. A little bit of info. The owner's name is Shawn. He's from Griffith, Indiana. He started this company because, like other beard owners or beard company owners, he couldn't find the right or the perfect product for his beard, so he just started creating them. He does use full spectrum CBD oil as an ingredient, and to me and my beard it works absolutely phenomenal. I don't think my beard has ever felt this good, as well as my skin. It feels like my skin feels so much better when I do use these products as well. The scents he creates are some of his custom scents. There are others like it that other companies do have. He puts his own little twist on his products. Tonight we're going to go over another scent that he has created, and this one is personally my favorite scent. If you remember the first review, he makes a beard grease oil and a beard jam. Yes, a beard grease oil. This stuff works absolutely amazingly. Tonight we're going to go over 3 more products from Graham's beard, and I hope you enjoy the video. As always, we're going to go over the oil first. This oil is called Captain's Breath, and this happens to be probably my favorite out of the whole group that he sent. And this is basically it's a spiced rum. It has rum in it, as well as a little bit hints of like a Cuban cigar. I love that Cuban cigar scent. I'm a big tobacco person. I love that scent, and he has dominated this one. But as you can see, it has like a nice green tint to it. It has the hemp seed oil into it as well. The ingredients, as far as the other ingredients, are jojoba oil, argan oil, hemp seed oil, CBD oil, grapeseed oil. And this stuff, like I said, got a little bit of leakage there. Like I said, I've been using these products off and on since I've had them, and to me they work great. They work awesome in my beard. They make my beard really soft. My skin underneath feels amazing, and that's because obviously CBD and the hemp seed. He does use full spectrum, 500 milligrams is what he told me, and it's just phenomenal. The oil's on a little bit on the thinner side, as you can see, but as I stated in the first video, I think I'm starting to like the thinner beard oils because my beard kind of soaks it up more, and a lot more rather, and there's less residual. Like when I use this oil, I have absolutely zero residual on my hands. It's just amazing. And the scent of this, like I said, it's like a spiced rum. Oh man, you get a little bit of that rum and that Cuban cigar. It's just freaking perfect. Like, this is, being a tobacco guy, this stuff is awesome. This is legit. The scent longevity lasts all day, maybe a little bit more. Just feels awesome in beard, guys. This is premium quality stuff, especially with the ingredients he puts in these products. Before we move on, I also wanted to say I really like these types of bottles. You just kind of twist them off, drip a couple drips in, and you're done. Just twist the top back up, and you're good to go. Awesome. Next on the list we have is his beard butter, and this is a poured butter. If you guys remember the first video, he sent me a whipped butter that he's created, and like that last poured butter, you can see the ingredients, or I'm sorry, the consistency. It's still chilly in my room, guys. It's a nice soft consistency. I'm not gonna put any in my beard because I have a different scent in. But the consistency of this, like last time, a little bit tacky, but once you get it in beard, it holds your flyaways down. There's no beeswax in his butters. The ingredients in these are shea butter, mango butter, jojoba oil, argan oil, hemp seed oil, CBD oil, and grapeseed oil. It makes my beard soft, keeps my flyaways down. It's tacky at first, but like I said, it makes your beard really, really soft. The scent on it, that Cuban cigar, that's what sucked me in. This is one of my favorite scents that he sent me, other than the smoked out, and that was in the first video. It's a really nice smoked out, smoky type cologne scent. It's really awesome. You gotta check it out. But anyway, that was the beard butter in the, what was this name? The Captain's Breath. I always forget that. I think it was something else. And the last one is another awesome product that he creates. It is a beard jam oil. And this is a 2-in-1. It's got the beard oil and beard butter in it. And I'm going to go ahead and take the cap off for you guys and show you, since it is chilly in here. I'm actually cold, to be honest. The consistency of this, I used quite a bit of this. It's like a little bit thicker lotion right now, but you can see the shininess to it. The consistency of this, let me try to put some on my hands. I'll go ahead and throw some of this in, actually. You can hear that shake, shake, shake. Let me get it warmed up. And it's like a lotion almost. Hopefully you guys can see that. And it's got a little thickness to it. Oh, sorry about that, guys. And look at that. That's amazing. And I'll do a couple swipes, and it's gone. Throw some in beard. Again, it soaks up my beard. Oh my goodness, that Cuban cigar is so awesome. Sorry guys, I'm indulging the scent right now. This is such an awesome, amazing scent. I like that Cuban cigar, and I like how the rum is in there with it. It's just a nice custom scent. I'm a sucker for rum. That was my first beard oil I ever used, if you guys remember. Just an awesome, awesome scent, and it lasts for a long, long time. And that was his beard jam oil. If you guys are scared to try these products, I'm not going to say scared. If you're concerned about trying these products because of the name beard grease oil, beard jam, give it a try. I guarantee you, once you've tried it, you will want more of this stuff. I was a little skeptical at first, especially with the beard grease oil. You know, as being a guy with a beard, you don't want nothing greasy in your beard. And you hear the name beard grease oil, you think that's probably greasy. Granted, anything you use, if you use a lot of it, it's going to get greasy. This stuff, you need a pea size, maybe a little bit more for the bigger beards. I use a little bit more than a pea size, and it does just fine for my beard. The scent lasts all day, like I said. My beard stays soft. It just swallows these products up, and it just hydrates my beard so well. It's just awesome. Sorry guys, I know I keep rambling. And one thing I did want to go over real quick, he does offer a sample set, and he sends that out in this type of jar. And that is his logo, by the way, obviously. And I like the setup. These are already all gone because I've used them, but this is what they look like. And then these are all of his scents that he offers. And this is scent number 2 that I'm going over for you guys tonight. Overall quality of the products is really good. Makes my beard feel great. It makes my beard smell fantastic. Overall quality, these products perform great. I would highly recommend these to anybody to try. Like I said, don't let the name fool you. They're really good products. Beard grease oil, I know it's kind of weird to say or hear, but it's just, take my word for it. I know some of you guys second guess me, some of you guys don't trust me, some of you guys, take my advice. Do me a favor this one time. If you've never listened to me before, listen to me this time. Try these products. I guarantee you will like them. Everything will be in the links below, guys. I appreciate all the support. Thank you for all the love. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button for more content, and don't forget to hit the bell notification for future updated uploads, whatever. Thanks guys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.